Oh, I got a new kitten. His name is Sander. Look at him. Sander. Hi, baby. Hi. Oh. He's so cute. Come here. Say hi. Hey, welcome. Sander. What? I love him. What, baby? Ooh, he has discovered the window. Yeah. He's so cute. He needs a lot. What are you doing? You cute beau. You see birds? Aw, you see birds? Mr. Cute Boy. You wanna play? Come here. Come on. You wanna play? Let me get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I got 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 it. Damn it. I think that's a tummy thumbs. You bring it back? Oh, he's so cute. Yep, and that's our newest edition. Newish, I said newish. Newest edition. Sorry, I had a couple of these. Let's go see Tudors. Bye, baby. Where's Pootie? No, there he is. There's a big guy. Hey, buddy. Hi.
Aren't you recording them?
Yeah. He's a big guy now.
I tried introducing them again today. Like, I had him in the room and he just kept hissing at him again.
Oh, really?
He wasn't growling this time though, he was just hissing.
That's good. He likes his booty scratched.
Sander got way closer to him. He's totally like that.
There's the fish. And as you can see, we did have some people over last night. Right, Jory? Jory? Oh, he's dead.
I'm too fat for this.
She's hungover. Okay, that pretty much sums it up. Huh, Tudors? You cute beau. I love him. Don't do that. No.
Our next step is a cat tree.
Cat tower. Aw. Alright.